Still on NSAS matter, Obaseki don't meet with Edo youth, ready to pay 190 million naira compensation for victims of police brutality. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki on Friday met youth from the 18 local government councils of the state disclosed that the government will pay the sum of 190 million naira to the victims of police brutality, where Judicial Panel of Inquiry constitute take investigate police brutality, human rights abuses and extrajudicial killings by a disbanded police unit, Special Anti-Robbery Squad (SAS) for the state. Obaseki gave this assurance for the meeting with the youth for Government House for Benin City. He reassures say his administration go do everything for their power to implement the 15 recommendations of the panel. He and say Edo youth are the greatest resources of the state.
The panel recommended compensations to be paid to victims totaling 190 million. And the amount of judgment sums which were recommended to be enforced was 98 million. I have accepted that we will pay compensation.
It still not say the panel still recommend say make use they encourage for area of agriculture, entrepreneurship, empowerment, girl child education, provision of annual state scholarship, plus building recreation centers, among other things. Obaseki said the government don't provide opportunities for Edo youth for the last 5 years on top youth empowerment. The governor still give 1 million naira each to 2 victims of NSAS protest, Oima Stephen and Miracle Aileni Korea, can promise to pay for their continuous treatment.
I've said the panel has made a recommendation on compensation that should be paid. And we as a government will go ahead and begin that process. For the 2 young men who were brought here, let us thank God that they are still alive. Some were not as lucky. So I will now undertake, working with my Commissioner for Health, to pay for your treatments henceforth. And we'll give you each, I'll give you each today the sum of 1 million naira each.
The youth on their own hailed the governor, come promise to work with the government, make it fulfill realize the mega agenda. Solomon Idiogbe, who represent the youth, commend Obaseki for improved security for the state. Still urge him make he engage more youth as means to take check cultism for Edo State.
Your Excellency, sir, Edo youth is requesting for the proper conduct of all security agencies in Edo State, with emphasis on the Nigeria Police Force, Edo State Command. Edo youth also resolved that His Excellency should set up a youth empowerment trust fund to combat youth restlessness in our states. At least whoever that have mid or small scale business should be able to access that loan without an affiliation of any political background or irrespective of where they are coming, as far as they are Edo State youths.
Other Ogbonge people wait and for the meeting. Now member from Edo State Judicial Panel of Inquiry, Chief of Staff to Edo State, plus Comrade Philip Shaibu. This na the Ogbonge informate where TMC News carry come give una. From Benin, Osatuame Ogbeide.